Hello guys, my name is Nikhil, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get back the bonus challenge in your PUBG Mobile. For this you have to download a VPN. You can use any VPN, but in my case I'm using Turbo VPN Lite. So guys, let me first show you my account to give the proper procedure to enable the bonus challenge. For now I'm using old account because I had already used this method in my main account to redeem 100 UC, and for you guys I'm using this old account for a demonstration. So here we go. You can see that there is no bonus challenge right now. So how to get that? Now get back to your home screen and open the VPN. And now what you have to do, you just need to select the US server. So now it's connecting. So guys, it's connected. Now open your PUBG Mobile and then go to settings. So now guys, open your settings and scroll down to the region/country option. Just click on change, then click on USA, then click on OK. So this will change your current region and log out to your device. Now you have to re-log in into your account to get the bonus challenge. By this method, the bonus challenge will appear in your account, and if you want to redeem or play bonus challenge, you just need to use the VPN every time. And if you want to play simple classic matches, you can just disconnect the VPN and play on Asia server as if you are an Indian user. So here you can see that the bonus challenge is appeared. Now let me show you this in my main account to redeem 100 UC more. So guys, this is my main account and the region is USA. VPN is already connected. So guys, you can see 1100 something points. Now click on redeem. Okay. Now go to the mailbox and collect it. So guys, this is the simple process you can follow to get the bonus challenge in your PUBG Mobile. And guys, if you like my video, make sure you hit that like button and also share this trick to your friends. So guys, I'm also starting a new gaming channel with the name TaiChi Gaming. So I will share the link in the description box of that channel. So make sure you also subscribe that channel. So guys, that's all. See you in the next one.